This is the Cricut EasyPress that is available for rent. It has a heat-safe gray tray here, so you just leave your press in here when it's not in use. You go ahead and plug it in. This button here is just your power button to go ahead and turn it on. Then we would set your temperature. This button here on top with a little thermometer on it shows your temperature. It's at 315 right now. I'm actually going to go ahead and move it up to 320. So we're just going to use this little plus sign to go ahead and move it up to 320. You would use the negative side if you need to bring it down. And then we're going to go ahead and set our timer, which is this little clock button here. So again, you're just going to use your plus and minus button to raise or lower the seconds of how long you're going to let that press. All right, so what you'll want to do is look at the instructions for your specific item so that you know what temperature and what time frame that you want to set for your specific items. If you notice here, this little C is lit up. Right now it's in orange. It'll stay in orange while it's turned on and it's heating up and preparing. Once you have met the temperature that it needs to get at, the light will actually turn green and you'll hear a beep. Then you know that you are ready to use your Cricut. You're at the right temperature. Something to always keep in mind is this is very hot. This bottom metal pad here is extremely hot, so you want to be careful. Watch young children. You certainly don't want anyone to bump into that or to hit it. What's nice with the Cricut EasyPress is that you have so much more surface area up here. You've got a nice thick handle that's easy to grab onto. All of this is cool to the touch, which is so much nicer than your home iron. It's not being left exposed on the table with the hot side up, worrying about someone tripping on a cord and knocking it over and burning themselves. And again, you have so much surface area that's nice and cool for people to use that you don't have to worry about them burning themselves. But that being said, it does get very hot, so you do need to make sure that you pay attention, you're using extra caution, again, that you're watching young children running around, and that you're always leaving the item on this gray this gray tray here when it's not in use. So we have reached our temperature. The light has turned green. There was a little bit of a beep, so it lets us know that it's ready to go. Now there is a nice feature with this. 10 minutes of it not being in use, it automatically shuts off, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about it just being left on for a long period of time. So in that case, if you, after 10 minutes, you need to use it again, you're just going to go through the same process of turning it on, setting your temperature and your time once again, and waiting for that orange light to turn green, letting you know that it's ready. So other than that, it's really easy. It's really convenient. You have much larger of a surface area than you would with a regular iron, so you're able to press more of an image, a larger image, than you would with just a regular home iron. So it does give you a little bit more of a professional seal and press. All right, so that's it for this video. There will be an additional video showing you how to press the specific items.